y'all? Big Daniel, Import Life Media, down here in the beautiful city of Los Angeles, California, at Just Vibes events, bringing you the ultimate quality and style of all vehicles. As you can see, we're underneath the 6th Street Bridge, but let's go in, and as always, let's see what they talking about. Yo!
Man, these cars are crazy. Did you see that? Inside and outside, I'm yelling over the music, but so far, it's dope, dude. Just the inside is dope. Look at this. Let's see what else they got going on. Crazy, man. She's crazy.
It's an albino.
Yeah. Hey, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. Yeah, I like that. Be eating. Look at you. Look at you.
That's me.
Yeah.
That's for her. That's for her. That's not for
Hey, she's like, can I get an estimate of everything that you have?
No.
Yeah.
You'll probably eat the whole stand. Look at Call me now.
Call me now. Yeah, no, we're just gonna watch her eat. We're gonna hungry hippo over here. Yeah. How you doing? Import Life Media. Like and subscribe. Holla at your boy. All right, look, once again, if by now you haven't subscribed, if by now you haven't liked this video, what can I say about your mama? And what should we say about the people's moms that aren't subscribing, that are watching? Your mom doesn't exist. You know, babies, when they are born, they need breast milk. There was none for you. But if you already did like and subscribe, if you did like and subscribe, your mom's an amazing, pretty, beautiful angel. I love her. And because of her, you're here. And I would like to thank you and her for that. Okay, let's get back to the show.
All right,
once again, they're doing raffles. So here's my ticket. Let's see if we win, all right? All day, we always win something, always.
Also, pull up your phones.
Let's get it.
Get it, boom, there it is.
First of all, I want to say you guys again, thank you for coming out to the Just Vibes event in Los Angeles. African Showcase.
Kendrick's brother's about to perform.
All right, y'all, wrapping up the event. Just Vibes over Just Vibe events, should I say, out here in LA, underneath the 6th Street Bridge. Always messing up my outros, man. But, Rosie, they can still see your big head. Go somewhere, go somewhere. Anyway, if you can, please like, subscribe. Hope you guys liked the episode. And this is impossible. If you haven't done so yet, follow me on Instagram at Import Life Media. And I guess, man, stay blessed, stay lovely, and don't ever have a face like this. Yeah.
Don't ever have a belly like that.
All right, y'all. Import Life Media, holla at y'all.